Hey YouTube, Samsung has released Galaxy Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus last year, and they was one of the best-selling tablets right now. And one of the most important highlight of these tablets were they are supported with the S Pen support inside, and along with that they were coming with some massive screen sizes. With that being said, they are the only tablets which are direct competitor to Apple iPad Pro, and in the Android world they are one of the best tablets which are currently available. And since these are the old tablets right now, and this is 2021, Samsung is preparing to launch its newest edition of the Tab S7 series with the Galaxy Tab S8. So in this video, we are going to discuss what are the things which are known to us. The number one thing is going to be the price. There is no information on the pricing of the Galaxy Tab S7 yet, but we can speculate similar prices at its predecessor. Optimistically, Samsung may also release it for a lower price than last year model, as it did with the 2021 Galaxy S21 series of smartphone. It is expected that we might see the Tab S8 to be releasing earlier in August of 2021, and this suggested by previous launch date of the tablet series. Its predecessor, the Tab S7, was launched on August 5th, while the Tab S6 was on August 1st. In terms of design and spec sheet, I honestly think that there is not going to be any kind of a difference. We will see similar kind of design just like the Tab S7 in the Galaxy Tab S8, and that means that modern curved edges, minimalist bezels, gloss and metal design. Its weight will be likely around half a kilogram for the device. The back of the device is going to be housing a different camera sensor. I expect that they will be increasing the camera performance of the Tab S8, and with that there is going to be an S Pen holder on the back side. Well, talking about the S Pen, we might see the S Pen Pro support also going to be coming in the Tab S8 as well, and it may include all the gesture facilities which are available in the S Pen Pro. On the software side, it is most likely that we are expected to see Android 11 inside the Tab S8 with One UI support here. Also, we will see a notable S Pen stylus gestures for quick staring a note or taking a screenshot and drawing over it. One UI also comes with the Edge panel, which allow for quick access to apps for anywhere. Edge panel apps can be dragged and dropped on the screen to enable split screen multitasking with the current app, or alternatively can be opened in windowed mode. Edge panel is also useful for quick switching between apps. Talking about the spec sheet, I honestly think that the 11-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2560 and 1600 and 120 Hz of refresh rate is expected in the Tab S8, and in-display fingerprint scanner, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs base storage, 256 and 512 gigs of storage options will be available, and the massive 8000 mAh battery will be coming inside the device with a 45 watt of fast charging support. Keyboard case connector, expandable storage, micro SD card slot, and obviously no headphone jack support inside. One of the things which I don't expect that Samsung will be providing to the Tab S7 box is the charger, and judging from the S21 series, we may see that there is no charger inside the box. Anyhow, overall I think that this tablet is going to be absolutely amazing in terms of performance, and it is going to be pretty much similar in design. I don't expect that there is going to be any kind of a difference with Tab S7. Anyhow, I think that this tab is going to be absolutely amazing for all those creators and students who wanted to have a device which is going to be helpful on the go. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What are your expectations for the Tab S8 in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.